This is the video of the notes that goes along with the actual guided notes page. What you need to do is, as you're watching this video, pay attention to and follow through the notes page that I provided. So I'm going to show you how the problem is solved, and then you're going to use this and your notes page to solve the independent practice. And then if you get to it, you can do the challenge sheet at the end. So a complex fraction is a fraction inside of a fraction. So this is one example here. It is 1/9 over 2/7. So we have a fraction in the numerator, fraction in the denominator. Okay, so that's a complex fraction. We're going to use complex fractions to make unit rates. So the first example says Jackson eats 1/4 of a banana in 1/2 minute. How much time will he need to eat a full banana? So I'm going to first set up, just like I normally do, my rate, which in this case is going to be a complex fraction. So I would do 1/4. I'm going to do B for banana. 1/4 banana over 1/2 minute. And now the question is asking me how much time will he need to eat a full banana. So what that means is I need to eventually have one banana. Just like I've been doing this whole time with unit prices, unit rates, I need to think, well, how did I get from 1/4 to 1? So step 1 says set up your rate. The rate here is the complex fraction. And I told you to write 1/2 minute over 1/4 banana. You can write it either way. Let me change mine so that it matches the notes page. So it says 1/2 minute over 1/4 banana. And again, I need to know how long it will take him to eat one banana. Again, it does not matter where you write either the banana or the minute fraction. What does matter is that you keep the same labels either in the denominator, both of them in the denominator, or both in the numerator. So in this case, I'm keeping my bananas in the denominator for both my rate and my unit rate. So that was step 1. Step 2 says to think which one of these needs to be in terms of 1. Is it going to be the banana or the minute? When you find out, write your second fraction, which will be your unit rate. So we did that because the question asked how long will it take him to eat a full banana. So full banana in this case means one whole banana. So my unit rate is going to be in terms of one banana. The one goes in the denominator of my unit fraction. So in this case, it should be one banana. Write your second fraction as blank minutes over one banana, which we just did here. Step 3, think. How do I go from 1/4 banana to one whole banana? So what happened down here so that I went from 1/4 banana to 1? I'll give you a hint. You need to multiply this fraction by its reciprocal. And if we remember, the reciprocal is just the fraction flipped upside down. So I'm multiplying this 1/4 times, I'm going to flip it upside down, 4 over 1. Anytime you multiply a fraction by its reciprocal, you get one whole. Okay, so anytime you see a fraction and you need to make it into 1, multiply by its reciprocal. Here you need to multiply both the numerator and denominator of your original complex fraction by 4 over 1 or just 4. So we're going to do 4 over 1 to keep them both fractions. I just did it in my denominator, now I'm going to do it in my numerator. 1 times 4 is 4 over 2 times 1 is 2. Step 4 says to multiply and get your rate. We multiplied the denominator, now we just multiplied the numerator, but we need to simplify my numerator because 4 over 2 can be simplified. Really what that is saying is 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2 minutes for one banana. So my final answer is it will take Jackson 2 minutes to eat one banana. That's my unit rate that they were asking me to find. So again, use this example, use the notes page to complete the independent practice for today.